Okay, real quick, guys. This is the unboxing video of the Nothing Phone 1. Okay, so I'm trying to show you the spec sheet. If it's possible for you, you can just pause the video to check that out. Okay, well, this is looking so beautiful. Now the packaging is something else. Not checking it out, believe it's just a book. It's so slim, so beautiful. I love the packaging, and I'm not even aware I'll be getting this extra pack around it. I'm used to seeing just the black, but then, well, it came in extra white. There, the tape around it is so firm, so I don't know. I think I'll use this to just cut it out, and then let's see how it goes from here. Okay, that's out. So let's pull it out and see what we have for ourselves. Okay. Okay, this is not sliding out. I think I need more cutting. Okay, that will be number 2. Okay, that's out. So let's slide this out. Jeez, it's not coming out. Wow. Okay, tip number 3. Okay, wow, that's out. Oh boy, this is this is serious attention to details in number 4. Okay. That is out. So this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. Beautiful packaging. I love this. This is really cool. Yeah, but then I just hope the aesthetics of this phone will meet functionality. That's one thing. Let's hope so. But then there is no mistake in this packaging. Yeah, this is perfection. I love it black. This is enough black. So I'm gonna peel it off and see how it. Okay, guys, listen to this. I love unboxing things like this. Let's listen to the sound. Okay, that's good. That's part 1 because we are going all round. Part 2. Okay, I love that. That's good. So the lid will be coming out. Okay, yeah. Now the lid is out. Okay. I was expecting some kind of cushion interior there, but then everything feels plastic. Well, I'm not complaining, just saying. So we have this packaging is nice. Just slide everything out. That's cool. So that aside, let's check out the other package. What's in for us? Let's see. Let's see. So no charging brick. Okay, so real quick, this is the same injection. Oh gosh, this feels like an earring. Yeah. So let's see. We have, wow. This is this is iPhone for this iPhone. Really, it's packed just like an iPhone, and as you can see, we also have the manual. But the funny thing is, who needs manual for God's sake? Phone manual. Nah. We operate phone without using manual. See, the real deal. Wow, I love that sound. Look at the plastic sound. Yeah, that's the reason why we are here. Yeah, the phone. I'm working my way through it. Yeah, I love this clicking sound. It's soothing. I love it. Okay, the last part. I can't wait to see it. Shit, it's out. This is marvelous. Wow, it's marvelous. I love this. I love this. Now this is cool, guys. Check it out. Look at the back. Okay. Now that sounds plastic. Okay, I was thinking this should be Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. Oh, I think I'll get into that, but then every other thing just feel wow, amazing, amazing, guys, amazing. So if you want me to do a full phone review, guys, just comment below. Now, the more you comment, the more I'll be galvanized to do the video. Catch you guys later and subscribe.